Hello, this is the new project I have made. It is a robotic arm. It consists of two servo motors, a little bit of tape, cardboard, etc. Lot of wiring and Arduino along with joystick for control. So basically it consists of two servo motors as you can see here. One controls the horizontal movement and one the higher movement, up and down. So basically the program, the joystick cords you can see here, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. When I turn this, the servo also turns to 0 because I have coded it so. That when the x-axis goes lower than the center, then the servo also turns towards its lower degree, or in this case it's the left side. And then this is same for y-axis, but y-axis is connected to the higher servo, the second servo.